welcome back to my channel. This is Jean of Just Jean. That's the name of my channel. I do primarily unboxings, which you can find in my playlist called Unboxing Joy. And I also do tea time chats where we either talk about the most recent book that I've read or another random topic, and I introduce you to some lovely tea. If unboxings are your forte, get ready for a great one. This is my very, very first Owlcrate unboxing. Owlcrate does YA fiction, limited edition, hardbound, signed copies of new release YA fiction, as well as a bunch of extra super awesome goodies. They primarily keep the boxes and what's in them a secret, so every time we get an Owlcrate, it will be spoiler free. Woo! I think boxes that allow you to enjoy the surprise are pretty great. I mean, I love being able to like pick my stuff for CauseBox and FabFitFun, but for this like kind of thing where I don't know what it is, everybody gets the same thing, I think it's amazing. It's just so exciting. Anyway, so without further ado, I don't know how much this box costs. I'm gonna put that information right here. What I do know is that I had to get on a waiting list just to subscribe to this box. So if this is something that you're interested in, I will put a link below. I don't get anything for that link. As far as like compensation, I don't work with them specifically or anything like that. I'm just a customer just like you. But if 3 people use my link, then I get a free box. So just for the referral, if you want to subscribe to the box, you can click on the link and probably get on their wait list. And then once you actually can subscribe to the box, then they will email you, and once it becomes available. Inside this box is going to be a spoiler card kind of thing, or just like a preview card for what September is going to be. So you'll know by the end of the video if you want to try to get on the wait list for September. And let me tell you ahead of time, you do. All right, so that's pretty much all of the housekeeping out of the way. We can actually open this guy up. I don't think there's anything else I had to tell you. All right. I just love that this is as much of a surprise for you as it is for me. Here's a look at what the outside of the box looks like. Super cute. Here's the inside of the box. Again, really cute. All right, so the theme for this month, the month of August, is Written in the Stars. So we get this beautiful collectible print. And one thing I will say, Owlcrate uses some very, I guess, I don't want to say up and coming, but like they're kind of like up and coming artisans and artists and designers who, like a lot of Instagram designers and whatnot, to create these products. So you can't get this stuff anywhere but from Owlcrate because they are designed exclusively for Owlcrate boxes, which is really cool. But this card will tell us give us some idea of what some of these things in the box are, so I'm not going to spoil that for myself, but I'll put it right there for reference purposes, and let's dive in. Ooh, I'm so excited, you guys. This is too much. It's too much. So we have a lot of these wormies, but they're paper, so they're completely what's the word? Recyclable. All right. With every Owlcrate box, you get a monthly enamel pin. So here's the pin for this month. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These pins are always beautiful, the ones that I've seen. This is for Written in the Stars, August 2020, and it is box number 66. So they've been doing this for a while. And this was designed in collaboration with Band of Weirdos. Let you see that again because that pin is beautiful. All right. Next up, this is a Dreamer bandana scarf. This is an Owlcrate exclusive, designed with love by I think that says Fern and Ink Company. Ooh, it's very pretty. Ooh. So the way it's like all tied up, I don't want to untie it right now, but look at how pretty that is. It's a really beautiful material. Let's see if it tells you. 100% satin. It's 100% satin. Oh man. Hand wash only, hang to dry, iron low, do not dry clean, and do not bleach. Let's look at it, you guys. We gotta see what this thing looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, can you see that? I hope you could see that. So it says, the dream chooses the dreamer. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm already like out of control excited. All right. So next up we have this really cool box. Don't know what's inside it yet. It says, we are made of star stuff. This product contains small sharp pieces and not intended for children. Okay, fair enough. Ooh. So it is a star-shaped jar that has these metallic push pins. Well, now I'm going to need something on my wall over here to use these push pins with. So the push pins are they're like ball push pins, and it's a jar full of them, and the jar is shaped like a star, so that's cool. In a super cute reusable box. I don't know if this was, I think this is an Owlcrate thing, like not designed by anyone in particular. Then we have You Shine Brighter Than Any Constellation in the Sky. So this is a mini clipboard, which is super cute. Look at that. Cool. And it does have the little thingy, so I could use one of my push pins to like tack it onto my wall if I wanted to. Which I probably most likely will do. All right, next here I believe is a book sleeve. Yeah, it is a book sleeve. Let's read about that because there's nothing on it on here. Actually, we'll go ahead and read about everything. So Fern and Ink, that's this guy here, poured all of the magic found in the night sky into this Strange the Dreamer inspired bandana. This lovely versatile piece can be used as a hair accessory, tied to make a fabric necklace or bracelet, and in a variety of other ways. All right, so this was inspired by Strange the Dreamer. Who says organization can't be practical and cute? This star-shaped bottle from Team Owlcrate, so yeah, that was an Owlcrate designed item, holds push pins for all of your corkboard needs. Fun idea, once empty, place tiny fairy lights inside this jar for some desk-side stargazing decor. That is a really good idea, actually. Team Owlcrate wants to... Hold on, we're not there yet. Where are we at here? We're simply over the moon in love with the Starless Sea inspired artwork Quirky Cup Collective created for us to feature on this book sleeve. So this is by Quirky Cup Collective, and the sleeve itself is inspired by the Starless Sea. It says, "We are all stardust and stories." It is really pretty. I really like it a lot, actually, even though I've not read that book. And I think what happens, I've actually never used a book sleeve before, but I think you basically just like stick the book in here for traveling purposes so that you can bring your beautiful books with you wherever and not have them get messed up. Okay, then looks like, yeah, this guy right here. Ooh, cute. Like what I do with the thing. So here you go. You can see it has a star on top of him. And it says, Team Owlcrate wants to bring some subtle starry vibes to your writing with this metal star pen. So the this guy right here, pen, and the little desk thingy. What is wrong with me? The stars in the jar, the star jar. I'm having a hard time. I think it's because I didn't have a nap today. This jar of push pins, these were both Owlcrate designs. And then you have the Daphne Sabine is who did the clipboard, which we got a spoiler for on Instagram with this design. So Daphne Sabine designed this Aurora Rising inspired clipboard to add a bit of celestial magic to your workspace. So there's like a very like workspace theme going on here, which is cool. You know, it is sort of like get back into the swing of things time. Something nice for fall, having a satin scarf, and then all of the new desk items. So that's really exciting. Now, for the final item in here, the book. And the book, which I actually spoiled for myself which book this was, is Star Daughter by Shweta Thakrar. So, I don't know if I said her name right, and I'm really sorry, but Shweta Thakrar is what I see here. So Star Daughter. And Owlcrate says, Hindu mythology provides a breathtaking landscape for this radiant contemporary fantasy tale. Inside Star Daughter, readers follow Sheetal's quest that takes her to a celestial court of shining wonders and dark shadows. Brimming with intrigue, this sparkling YA debut is perfect for fans of Roshani Chokshi and Laini Taylor. Our signed edition features an exclusive cover and gorgeous sprayed edges. You'll also find a letter from the author, Shweta Thakrar, when creating this month's... Oh, my bad. Just reading. So yeah, that's what they have to say about the book that they've provided for us. So let's take a good look at it. There's the side, front, and back. And this book is an exclusive Owlcrate cover. When you open the book here, there's the inside cover, and the edges are sprayed purple. So it's just a gorgeous copy of this book. It's supposed to be signed, but I don't know where it would be signed at. Here's your signature. So we do have a letter from the author, which I will not read on screen, but, you know, if you subscribe to the box, you'll get to read that. And this, I think, is just more sort of fun stuff you get to see. So I'll show you the differences in the two covers. So that's the cover that was released, and that's the Owlcrate cover, the purple one. There's some like interview with the author stuff in this little thing here, and a crossword puzzle, some recommendations if you like this book. This is really cute. And there's a playlist for the book as well. Right. So the last item, or last item, is a sweet. So this is a sneak peek for the September box. Every September, so the theme of the September box is A Glorious Haunting, and then we get a sneak peek of what might be in the box. So if you don't want to know, then skip this next like 5 seconds or so. Every September box will include a cozy throw blanket designed by Michelle Gray. This is from a past box, but this is an idea of what the blanket will look like. So I'm very excited about that. Can't have too many blankets. I have all the blankets. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm still trying to figure out where my book is signed because I don't see a signature. Maybe I missed it. Oh, no. Yeah, I still don't see a signature. So maybe I missed where it is. Like, am I dumb? Do I not know where people sign books at anymore? Is there like a new place where people sign books? It's pretty. Either way is a... Oh, there it is! I found it! There's her signature. That's pretty. That's super pretty. All right, you guys. I think that's plenty. I hope you enjoyed that. Please join me for the... There'll be a tea time when I actually finish reading this book. There'll be a tea time discussion of the book. So if you want to pick up a copy and read the book with me and then join me for the discussion, that would be great. Otherwise, check back for other unboxings. And I have an exclusive edition of something coming from Owlcrate. And then there's a limited edition box that I just purchased for the Invisible Life of Addie LaRue. So that's going to be an entire box about that book, and an exclusive to Owlcrate, really nice, beautifully made copy of the book. So hope you enjoyed that, and give me a like, a subscribe, check out the link below if you want to look at Owlcrate, and I'm going to go take a nap because I don't know what's wrong with me right now. I'm just like done for the day. Bye.